welcome back to my channel. I've got another great recipe for you guys today. It is almond crusted codfish. This is a wonderful recipe that is very versatile. You can use it with codfish, you can use it with trout, you can use it with any fish that you enjoy. Today I'm using codfish and I'm taking delicious cod fillets and I am dredging them in a little Dijon mustard, some crushed almonds with Parmesan cheese. It's fabulous. It's quick, it's easy, and delicious as always, and you're going to want to make this really, really soon. If you are new to Sincerely Legenia, watch this video. If you like what you see, consider subscribing. I would love for you to become a part of the Sincerely Legenia family. All right, guys, let's get right on into this video because I promise this is going to be one for your books. All right, guys, to begin making our almond crusted fish, the first thing we're going to need is 1 cup of almonds. Then we're going to need 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, and we're going to need some Dijon mustard. So let's first start by adding our almonds to our food processor. We're going to put those in there. Next, we're going to add in our Parmesan cheese. Going to put that in there. And then we're going to season this. This is my spicy garlic seasoning blend. I will share this, guys, with you. It's going to be on my website, but you sprinkle a little bit of that in as well. All right, and then we're going to blend this together. Okay, put that on, and next we're going to blend this all together. All right, let's make sure that everything it's been ground up nicely. All right, guys, that is perfect. This is what your mixture should look like. Just gonna take this out and I'm gonna place it in this tin pan. All right, next up, I have my fresh codfish here. The next thing I'm going to do is add some seasoning to your codfish. You want to make sure everything is seasoned. You guys know that I like to season every layer. So season that with, again, I'm using the spicy garlic. And trust me, guys, that is spicy, okay? And I'm going to get some Dijon mustard, and I'm going to just brush the Dijon mustard over the fish, just like this. Do the other piece. All right, and from here we're going to turn our fish over and we're going to season the other side. Again, adding the spicy garlic seasoning. And brush on the Dijon mustard. And don't worry about brushing any of that seasoning off because as you see, the seasoning is still there. You can still see the pepper flakes from the seasoning, and of course the salt is still there. If anything, it's just being incorporated into that Dijon mustard that is coating the fish, and that is perfectly fine. All right, so now that our fish is coated, we are now going to coat it with our almond mixture. So once you put it in the mixture, go ahead and press, and I just like to get some and put it on top there and press as I do that. So I'm pressing the back side into the crumbs into the mixture, and then of course getting that patted down on the other side as well. Make sure you get the sides of your fish as well. And this is really, really tender, so be really careful when you're handling the fish, just to make sure that you don't tear it. All right, and once I've done that, I'm gonna place it over into my pan, and we'll go on and we'll coat the next piece. Okay, and be sure to shake off any excess. All right, guys, now that our fish is coated, we're gonna take it over to the air fryer. All right, guys, so we're at the air fryer, and I'm going to cook one piece at a time. I'm gonna place this one in the air fryer, and I'm gonna keep it in this foil pan. That makes cleanup a lot easier, okay? So let's put this in the air fryer. I'm going to set it for 325 degrees for approximately 12 minutes. All right, and we're gonna let that go. All right, guys, let's take a look. Oh, wow, look at that, guys. Let's go ahead and plate this up. It's time to eat. Everybody, we've got our almond crusted codfish, and it smells magnificent. I'm going to go ahead and taste this on camera. I actually have some cabbage that I made last night, so I'm going to be pairing this up with some cabbage, but I want to go ahead and let you guys see the inside of this. It's so delicious and flaky. This is a fabulous way to cook your fish if you want something a little bit different. Delicious, guys. The spicy garlic seasoning you can definitely taste, and the almond crust, this almond coating and Parmesan cheese on the outside is fantastic. Guys, this has got to be one that you put in your book. This has got to be a weeknight regular. It is so delicious, and I promise your family and friends are going to love it. Give this one a try. I promise you will not be disappointed. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. This almond crusted codfish recipe is absolutely delicious. I hope you guys get a chance to give it a try. If you do, please leave a comment in the description box and let me know how you like it. I'd love to hear from you. If you are new to Sincerely Legidia, then go ahead and click the subscription button right below and click the notification bell right next to it so that you know every time I upload a brand new video. Well, that is it for today, guys. Join me again right here on Sincerely Legidia for more delicious keto and low-carb recipes. Until then, have a blessed and a prosperous day, and I will talk to you the next time. Bye.